Today we'll be teaching you how to do your laundry. This is your laundry bag. Make sure to write your name and room number on it. You can buy one from the JIC Family Mart. Follow me to the laundry room. Laundry time is from 7 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Monday through Friday, and 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. Men can do laundry on Mondays and Thursdays, and women on Tuesdays and Fridays. Here we are at the laundry area. Let's go inside. First, put your bag on the table. Then, take a slip and fill out your information, name, room number. Check the number of clothes with the staff. Remember, only clothes are acceptable. Next, fill in the day and sign your name on the slip. Put the slip in your bag and place your bag here. Don't forget to fill out your name, room number, and time in the notebook. And that's it, you're done. When your laundry is ready, you'll receive a message. Head to the laundry room, find your bag on this side, and double-check with the staff if needed. Finally, fill out the time on the line with your name in the notebook. And you're finished. Follow for more.